Ako nga pala ang new endorser ng Nike Baguio. No, just joking. Big shout out to my dear friend, Sydney Purification. Maybe soon, Purification Enterprises or Distribution. Padli, thank you very much for these shoes. I appreciate it. No, binigyan niya ako out of nowhere. I do have a lot of shoes, but still, he gave me one. I appreciate even small things. I am a very, very grateful person. In return, here is about to happen, no? Here is what's going to happen. I'll be giving you something in return. That is the Supremacy Collector's Edition ng Afnan. Bago lang to sa mundo ng pabango. Papasok pa lang siya. This is something that will change your world, brother. I am not exaggerating. Bali-leeg talaga to. Hatak attention. Maraming salamat sa iyo, men. No, yung negosyo, shoutout nga pala sa mga taga Baguio. Nag-uumpisa to sa printing business. Siya ang supplier natin ng mga stickers. Padli, pasabugin natin yung negosyo mo, no? You have me. Nasa likod mo lang ako. Once again, thank you very much for this. I'll see you soon for this one. Take care.